Hey guys, welcome to the JetJanix. Today we will discuss the some basic formulas for rounding different values in our Excel sheet. Okay, so come to the data sheet here and let me find a value for you. Let's say we are working on this value. Okay, I will just change its layout so that we can compare the calculated values with this. Okay, so this one, you see, it has five digits after the decimal, okay, and five digits before the decimal. And let's say that we are interested to see only two digits after the decimal. So how we are going to do it? Just write the round here and press this value, okay, and after pressing it you can just type comma and type 2, close the parenthesis, and now you see the value shows only the two digits after the decimal, okay. And let me show you something else here, the round figure. If you want to see only the one digit after the decimal, you can just type 1, okay, and press enter. And if you don't want to see any digits after the decimal, you can just write round, press this value, select comma and press 0, close the parenthesis, and you see now there is no value after the after the decimal, okay. We also have some other things, like we have round up, okay, round up. You see, round up means if I select this value, it will round this value up, okay. So how we are going to do it? Let me select this one, press comma and 0. So you see this is 31,782. Now press enter and you see it becomes 782. Instead of 782, it is 783 now, just because we have a round it up, okay. So if you want to round it up and you don't want to see any digit after the decimal, you can just use the round up formula, okay. And if you want to round down, then you can just type the round down, okay, and you can click this value, comma, and you can just say 0, okay, and press close the parenthesis and press enter. You see now it becomes the 782, and this value after the decimal has been disappeared, okay. So these are the some basic rounding formulas and tricks which you can use in your Excel worksheet, okay. I think it helps you and you learn it. It was very easy. So please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channels. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.